In a peaceful village, a skilled carpenter named Liam lived a humble life. He spent his days crafting furniture for his neighbors and took pride in his work, yet he often dreamed of seeing new places and experiencing adventures beyond his small town. One day, a letter arrived from his cousin Emma, who lived in the city. The letter said, "Dear Liam, please visit me. I have something very special to show you." Excited by the invitation, Liam packed a small bag with clothes and his trusted tools. He boarded a bus, and as the vehicle rolled along, he watched the scenery transform from lush green fields to bustling city streets filled with towering skyscrapers. When he arrived, Emma greeted him warmly at the station. "Liam, it's so wonderful to see you again," Emma exclaimed, wrapping him in a tight hug. "I've missed you too, Emma," Liam replied, smiling. "So, what's the special thing you wanted to show me?" "Come with me," she said, her eyes twinkling with excitement. Emma led Liam through the crowded streets to a large building with a sign that read, "Community Hub." The place buzzed with energy. Inside, people of all ages were learning, working, and creating together. Emma explained, "I work here. We teach people new skills and help them find jobs. It's such a rewarding experience." Emma introduced Liam to Mr. Carter, the director of the center. "Mr. Carter, this is my cousin Liam. He's a talented carpenter," Emma said proudly. "Nice to meet you, Liam," Mr. Carter said, shaking his hand warmly. "We're in need of someone with your expertise. Could you help us make furniture for the center?" Liam was taken aback but excited. "I'd be happy to help," he said enthusiastically. Over the next few days, Liam worked closely with the team, teaching them how to build sturdy tables and chairs. He loved sharing his knowledge and felt a sense of accomplishment as he saw their progress. One evening, Emma invited Liam over for dinner. As they reminisced about their childhood, Liam admitted, "I've always wanted to travel and see the world, but I never had the opportunity." Emma smiled warmly and said, "Liam, you're making such a big difference here. Helping others is its own kind of adventure." The next day, Mr. Carter approached Liam with an exciting idea. "We're planning to build a playground for the children in the neighborhood. Would you help us design and construct it?" Liam didn't hesitate. "I'd love to," he said. He sketched out designs for swings, slides, and climbing frames and worked tirelessly with the team to bring them to life. The children watched eagerly as the playground began to take shape, their eyes shining with excitement. When the playground was finally complete, the entire neighborhood gathered for the opening ceremony. Emma gave a heartfelt speech. "Thank you, Liam, for your dedication and hard work. This playground is a gift to our community." Liam's heart swelled with pride as he watched the children play and laugh. A young boy named Alex ran up to him and said, "Thank you, Mr. Liam. This is the best playground ever." Liam smiled and replied, "I'm so glad you like it, Alex. Enjoy every moment." As time passed, Liam became an essential part of the center. He taught carpentry classes, helped build furniture, and grew close to the community. He made many friends and felt like he had found a second home. One day, Mr. Carter announced an exciting opportunity. "We've been invited to help a community center in another city. They need our skills and expertise. Are you interested?" Liam's eyes lit up with excitement. "Absolutely," he said eagerly. The team packed their tools and supplies and set off on a new adventure. The journey was long, but Liam enjoyed the changing scenery and the anticipation of helping another community. When they arrived, they were greeted with warmth and gratitude. Over the next several weeks, Liam and his team worked tirelessly. They built furniture, taught carpentry classes, and even helped design a new playground. In the evenings, they gathered with the locals, sharing stories and laughter. One night, a young woman named Mia said, "Liam, you've inspired us all. You've taught us not just skills, but the importance of caring for our community." Liam was deeply moved. "Thank you, Mia. I've learned just as much from all of you," he said sincerely. When the project was complete, Liam felt a mix of sadness and fulfillment. He returned home, but his passion for helping others only grew. He continued to travel to different communities, sharing his skills and making a difference wherever he went. Years passed, and Liam became known far and wide as a master carpenter and a dedicated community builder. He even wrote a book about his experiences, inspiring countless others to follow their dreams and serve their communities. One day, Liam received a letter from Alex, the boy from the playground. It read, "Dear Mr. Liam, I'm now a carpenter too. Thanks to you, I'm helping build a new community center in our town. I hope to make you proud." Liam smiled as he read the letter. He felt proud of the lives he had touched and the legacy he had built. His journey of service and adventure brought him endless joy and purpose. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.